Okay, here's the question then. So let's have a look at it. I've written it in summary form. Now we've got a tan squared. Now what is it? We know that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So what's the tan squared? Well, this divide by cos, you get tan squared plus 1, isn't it? Is equal to sec squared. So that's the identity then that we need to use here. We've got sec, so we better replace the tan squared by the sec squared minus 1, isn't it, here? So here then, we've got 8 sec x minus 2 sec squared x is equal to tan squared, which is sec squared minus 1, minus the 2. So we can move this minus 2 over to be plus 2 and we'll get 3 sec squared, won't we? Move the 8 sec over to be minus 8 sec x. And then we've got a minus 1 and a minus 2 as the numbers is minus 3, all on this side. There's nothing left over here because we moved them both over. So it equals 0. So if we can factorize, it's going to be 3 sec x and sec x, isn't it? Now 3 ones here, the difference is 8, so if we put 3 there we'll get a 9 and a 1, won't we? And the difference being 8, provided that's minus and that's plus. That should be it. So we'll get 3 sec squared. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, lots of sec x. Plus times minus is a minus, 3 ones are 3. So that tells us then that sec x is equal to minus 1/3. And this one tells us that sec x equals 3. So invert the fraction, this is 1 over cos, so cosine x then will equal minus 3, won't it, when this is inverted? No solutions here. And this one, cos x is equal to 1/3, isn't it? Invert both of these, this and this, and we get cos is 1/3. So let's look at that and solve that then. We need to solve it between 0 and 2 pi to 3 significant figures. So let's draw a circle. CAST, around one full circle. Cos is positive here and here. So draw 2 lines in those quadrants. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and simply write cos alpha is equal to 1/3. So then alpha is equal to shift cos of 1/3 in radians mode. So let's type it in. Shift cos of 1 divided by 3 in radians mode. 1.23095. 1.23095. So x is equal to then, the first solution between 0 and 2 pi will be here, which will be the 1.230. Now the question said the 3 significant figures, so it's just 1.23. 3 significant figures. And the other one, x is equal to, well, it would be around here, wouldn't it? Around 2 pi back. So 2 pi minus 1.23095 ... So we've got that in the calculator already. So if I take away, this is the answer here, so it's 2 times pi, shift pi, minus just the answer, wasn't it? That's what we had before. And it's 5.05. 5.05, and that was the 3 significant figures. So there's our 2 solutions.